The race for COVID-19 vaccine is on. Pharmaceutical giants such as Pfizer, Moderna and AstraZeneca have already announced the primary results of their vaccine candidates. But here's a snapshot of where the various vaccines being tested currently stand. Drug makers Pfizer and BioNTech said that their COVID-19 vaccine candidate is 95% effective, including in adults over 65 years of age. Although some reported hangover-like side effects after the vaccine was administered. Pfizer and BioNTech are expected to globally produce up to 50 million doses by the end of 2020 and up to 1.3 billion doses by the end of 2021. Now, these vaccines need to be stored in a particular temperature in order to maintain their potency. For Pfizer vaccine, it's between -60 and -80 degrees Celsius. Such vaccines are unviable for a country like India as we don't have such cold chain facilities. Next up is Moderna. Moderna said its vaccine has an efficacy rate of 94.5%. It can be stored at a temperature of -20 degrees Celsius, but when thawed, it can be kept between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius up to a month. Some of the side effects of Moderna's vaccine included pain at the site of injection, fatigue, headache, and muscle pain. The next vaccine is by AstraZeneca and Oxford University. They have partnered with Pune-based Serum Institute of India. This vaccine, which is called Covishield in India, reported an overall efficacy of 70%. But the company also said that they have two different dosing regimens, one showing 90% efficacy and the other 62%. This vaccine can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for at least up to 6 months. If the company receives a nod from the regulator in UK, it is also possible that an approval could be sought in India for the same. The Serum Institute of India has already produced about 400 million doses of Covishield in India. It is likely to produce hundreds of million doses by February 2021. Russia's Sputnik V is the first COVID-19 vaccine in the world to be registered. Russian government's Gamaleya Center said the vaccine has an efficacy of 95%. It needs to be stored at -18 degrees Celsius in the liquid form and 2 to 8 degrees Celsius in the freeze-dried form. Dr. Reddy's lab in India is also conducting a small trial for Sputnik V vaccine here in India. Covaxin is India's first indigenous coronavirus vaccine being developed by Bharat Biotech. The vaccine is currently in its phase 3 trials. Another vaccine that is being developed in India includes the ZyCoV-D by Gujarat-based Zydus Cadila. It is being developed in collaboration with India's Department of Biotechnology. The vaccine is set to begin its phase 3 trials and is expected to be affordable. Biological E and Janssen Pharmaceuticals, a subsidiary of Johnson & Johnson. Its vaccine is currently in trials. Genova Biopharmaceuticals, seed funded by the Biotech Department. It is expected to go to trials by the end of 2020.